Hello, welcome to a new video. In this video I will tell you 4 important decisions that if you choose them badly you will have a bad or normal future. Number 1. How do you allow people to treat you? There are usually 2 categories. The first group are people who are always respected by others, and the second category is a category that is always ridiculed by others. The second category always tries to become a very good person and accepted by others to solve this problem. This is an unconscious decision and a completely wrong decision. The meaning of not training yourself into a good person for others is not to be aggressive and nervous. It means that you have self-esteem and defend yourself in times to ridicule. This way you don't allow them to force you, and as a result people accept this about you. Why is this important? Because whenever someone hurts you, don't defend yourself. During the day you will remember those events and you will think of revenge and you will live in the past. Number 2. Would you rather live today or tomorrow or yesterday? You may say, how to live in the future or the past. I will tell you. When you fight with your boss or even your teacher at work, it may last for 5 minutes, but after some time you constantly think about it and say, I wish I had said something, I wish I had done something or else. This is something that happens to all people, but fortunately it is controllable. You should never let yourself think about these things, because you can neither erase the past or change it. The future is still the future and you should not worry about it. Why do you sacrifice the past and the future now? Number 3. Why do you fall prey to financial mistakes? You may also have this problem, that no matter what you do, your money will be spent on daily life and you will not be able to save your money or buy anything important. Basically, only the thought is important. Most people who are not rich see money as a limited resources and try to see money as only a small part of life. They are basically defenders, not attackers. Those who are attacking are looking for more money and never think that there is no other way to make money. In this way, every day they are richer than yesterday. Number 4. What do you sacrifice? You have to ignore something in life. It's like you sacrifice one word and you are watching this video. You can't have everything together, because to have something you have to ignore something else. So don't want everything together. For example, a teacher cannot be a driver at the same time. A football player cannot be a volleyball player at the same time. If you are a person who tries to have everything and participate in everything, then you will probably find that when you get older, you will not succeed in anything. By observing these 4 tips, create an ideal future for yourself. If you want to start a better life with me, don't forget to follow me. See you later until the next video.